Hi, I'm Malcolm Kedden from Interact Technology. I'm here today to tell you about the Clickshare product. The one I have here is the Clickshare CS-100. This is the unit itself, has a power supply, and depending on which model you bought, it will come with 2 or more buttons. I just happen to have 4 here. Connectors on the back is HDMI for the screen, also a network port to connect to your network should that be necessary, although it's not needed in all configurations. Power supply obviously, USB for, you'll see that's for later. There's also USB on the front and power button. Okay, what this is going to do is present my laptop wirelessly to the screen. So what I'm going to do is take my HDMI cable and plug that in the rear of the box. Okay, power supply. And now the unit will come on. So it starts off with a red light, it's soon going to turn to white, and we know it's starting because it'll show us the Barco logo on the screen. Just make yourselves a cup of tea while this happens. Okay, so the equipment is now started. We've chosen to put the instructions on how to use the equipment on the screen. You're quite welcome to put your own graphics on there, or we can load it and design them for you as well, depending on your corporate feel that you want for your room. Okay, so just tell you a bit about these buttons now. They are called buttons. There's actually a press button on there, and there's an LED light around the outside, and USB. There is also, for you, those of you with Macs and things, there's a USB-C version as well. Okay, so the way this works is, I will plug this into my laptop, so regular USB port. You'll see that this starts to flash now. So it starts blinking and it will blink on white. Okay, what it's now doing, it's obviously loading. If I can open up the USB drive, it looks like, to the machine, it looks like a 20 meg USB stick. There's a program on there called Clickshare for Mac in this instance. There's also a Windows version, and you can also download the software as well. Okay, so what's happened now, I've clicked onto it because this is paired to the unit wirelessly. The button's now gone steady. So all I need to do is push the button. It now goes red, and I'm now presenting wirelessly to there. So if I want to go to my favourite website, and whatever I'm doing on my screen, we also get on there as well. And just to prove it is wireless, there are no wires connected at all. And obviously whatever I choose comes on the screen. It also does audio as well, and the bigger models can do dual screens as well. To stop presenting, I just push the button and it disappears. I can hand over to a colleague if they had their one connected, or again with some other models you can share 2 at a screen at a time on a screen. And that's really the Barco Clickshare CS-100.